Hey everyone, are you someone who's willing to take the next big step in your career or in your own business, but still doubting on your own communication skills or your leadership skills? Don't worry, you're at the right place.
We can help you improve your English communication skills step by step with the help of our experienced mentors, constructive evaluations, and a wonderful education program called Pathways, designed by Toastmasters International.
Your leadership skills will improve by performing top officer duties and taking responsibility of different roles in our bi-weekly Toastmaster meetings.
And among all these activities, we never forget to have a lot of fun.
Let me warmly welcome all of you to join our virtual open house meeting and witness how all these wonders are happening in Negombo Toastmasters Club.